Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Lacy Garcia. She is the founder of Willow, and we are going to discuss how advisors need to adapt their business as investor demographics are evolving. Lacy, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you, Jill. It's wonderful to be here with you.
You got it. And how are investor demographics changing?
Well, Jill, as you probably know, are well aware that gender diversity and generations are changing the wealth management game. And so therefore, investors are becoming more female, more women, they're becoming younger, and they're becoming more diverse. And just like changes in the market require a new approach to how we're investing, changes in demographics of investors require a new approach to how advisors are attracting, retaining, and growing relationships with these sort of new majority of investors.
So who are the new majority of investors?
Yes. So increasingly women, increasingly younger millennials. For instance, so women just in the by 2030, as everyone is probably aware, McKinsey estimates that they will control new $30 trillion in wealth just in the US alone. The next gen, so millennials by 2030, 5 times as much wealth. Gen Z, their income is projected to be $33 trillion. And then underrepresented groups, by 2044, we will reach the majority moment, kind of majority-minority moment in the US, where all the previously underrepresented groups will actually create the majority of people and also investors.
How are the new majority investors what are they looking for in their relationship with advisors?
Yeah, so they are looking for digital first, but not digital only, even though they are technically savvy and they really want information to come in easy formats and be accessible from their iPhone or from any digital device that they're on. They are also looking more and more so for advice. They want to work with advisors, and they want a relationship, a true relationship with an advisor that they believe actually understands who they are, not only is focused on their performance, but is focused on what their values are and their goals are, and really helping them to achieve those. And we see just the latest research from Fidelity, I think 85% of millennials and Gen Z are looking for coaching. They're looking really for that hands-on coaching relationship with their advisor.
It almost sounds like a lifestyle coach, if you will.
Yeah.
So what's the biggest opportunity for wealth managers to grow their investor base?
Well, that's what we call it actually at Willow. We call it financial life coaching, because it's no longer just about your investments. They want it to be tied and relevant into their whole financial life, which is obviously their investments, but we're going to be moving away from performance. It's much more focused on actually human connection and guidance, and actually helping them plan for life events, helping them to not only navigate the uncertainty in the markets, but the uncertainty in life. And really, so how advisors can really grow this business is by focusing on these previously underserved investors. They want advice. They're looking to work with advisors. Women, for instance, they tend to make more loyal clients. On average, I believe they refer about 23 clients to an advisor, as opposed to a male client referring 11 over the course of a relationship. So this is an amazing opportunity for the advisors who are smart enough to realize, that these underserved populations are really their growth driver for their business moving forward.
So what do firms need to do to modernize the business?
Well, they need to help advisors to modernize. They need to meet them where they are. We know that the majority of the advisor population is overwhelmingly male and is older. That doesn't mean that they can't succeed with this next generation. We all want to see more women. We all want to see more diverse advisors. But in the meantime, partner with platforms like Willow, where we can help you to train those advisors and connect with clients who don't look like them, and provide this holistic kind of financial life guidance so that they don't lose those clients.
So why did you start Willow?
I started Willow based on my experience both of being a financial advisor and also being a woman who navigated multiple life events where I needed guidance beyond my traditional relationship with my male advisor. And it turned out that there was a real need. That first of all, the biggest thing keeping advisors up at night is how do we grow and how do we future-proof our business? How do we evolve and meet the needs of these new investors? And then from the perspective of the clients who are being underserved, how do we make sure that they're getting the service that they want, that they are becoming, active investors, and that they are, growing their wealth and therefore growing all of our wealth.
What is Willow's certification for financial advisors?
So through the Willow certification for financial advisors, we help advisors who have experience and interest in serving these groups and working with women and working with underrepresented groups and working with younger investors. We help them to kind of know everything that they need to be able to attract, to retain, and to grow those relationships, and also help to support those clients through key moments and transitions in life, such as divorce, such as widowhood, such as fertility and adoption and surrogacy, and really enabling them to be able to become those advisors who we can say are trusted to our consumer clients, and then connecting them with those clients who are out there looking for advisors but aren't able to find those advisors who are uniquely qualified.
And you had mentioned before that Willow works with advisors to grow their business. How are you helping them grow revenue?
Yeah, we're helping them grow revenue by starting with just retaining clients, winning new clients who they wouldn't have been able to connect with and grow relationships with. And so not only through better experience and knowledge and the ability to talk correctly to these clients, but also through marketing and through directly connecting them with these clients.
So who are some of your partners, and where is Willow available for advisors?
Yeah, so we work with a lot of the leading institutions. For instance, BlackRock, we're available on the Fidelity platform, RIA platform, Allianz, Principal Financial Group, and we're available direct to all advisors, fiduciaries, just through trustwillow.com. They can reach out and sign up and learn about the certification and directory for consumers.
All right, Lacy, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.